Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn a plastic handbag into a super spooky, tasty treat for Halloween. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need popcorn, a food service glove or latex glove, candy corn or other small candies, scissors, curling ribbon, and a small cup. Now, as you can see, you can really use any kind of candy you want. These are Good and Plenty's. These are little sour balls. These are goldfish. You can use any of those. I'm actually going to be using some gumdrops because I love these. You can also use candy corn, especially if you're doing this at Halloween, because it makes a great Halloween treat with candy corn. So you're going to want to open up your glove. So you want to get a little air in there. So take your glove. And if you can blow into it if you're going to be the one who's eating it, but if not, and you're making these for friends and stuff like that, just kind of go like that, get a little air in there, and it'll open it all up. So I'm going to give myself some gumdrop fingertips. So the first thing I'm going to do is drop one gumdrop in. And I'm going to give these multicolored. Second gumdrop in, doot. And let's do a black one. And a green one. And I like the colors. I like being able to see it, so let's do a yellow one instead of that last white one. There you go. So now you can see the hand is starting to take shape. And now what we're going to do is fill the glove with popcorn. So here's the one thing about these gloves is you don't want to just like take big moho scoops of popcorn and try to pop them in there, because really you got to get them into the fingers first. So you want to take kind of piece by piece and just get those fingers filled in as much as you can, even though I know you want to just pour it all in there. You really want to get the popcorn into the fingers first. Then you can go to town and pour it in. And you can use any kind of popcorn here, natural popcorn, kettle corn, any kind of popcorn you like. Okay, so I'm just going to continue filling these fingers. In fact, I think this is a cheddar popcorn. Keep going. Let's get some more popcorn. Get some in there. And we've got our last finger to fill. So once you got the fingers filled, you can fill the rest of the hand. And this is where this scoop comes in nice and easy. Comes in handy. And a little bit more. There we go. We're going to fill it up. Make sure we get it into that thumb area over there. We're going to fill it up so that we can still have a little bit at the top to twist it closed. So you wanted to make sure that you leave about 1.5 inches to 2 inches up at the top to twist it closed. Now, I'm just going to take this curling ribbon, cut off about 1 foot of it, holding this with my fingers. Now this might be a place where having a friend might be helpful, but I'm holding this with my fingers, lay the ribbon underneath, wrap it around, and tie it with a knot. There you go. Once you get that knot, then it's easy to tie the second knot. Now we're going to curl the ribbon. Take your scissors with the flat edge, place it against the curling ribbon. So hold it, pinch that curling ribbon in your fingers, hold the edge right against the curling ribbon itself, Place your thumb over top of the curling ribbon and pull straight. You want to try to do one big pull. Once again, pinching, place the flat edge against the ribbon, and pull. And that finishes off your monster hand in a stunning way. And there you have it, a spooky treat that's delicious to eat. Now, if you can't find these plastic food service gloves, you can always use a latex glove, but I did want to show you the difference between the two. For more fun ideas for Halloween, check us out at Sophie-World.com. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so that you get our videos every Wednesday and Friday. Sophie-World.com.